Hello everyone, thank you for click this video, and today I will show you how to make intro in CapCut. I have one video here. This is just video of a star lamp, and I want to make it to be intro YouTube. So the first I will adding overlay here. Click on the overlay and add overlay, and then I will choose the stock videos, and I will choose this one and then click add. I will zooming in until the overlay covering the video. Go to overlay again and click on the stock videos and add these stock videos. Choose splice, and after that choose the lighten and click save, and then click split and delete, and I will going to add overlay again. And I click the green screen video, this one, and click add, and I will move it to the lines 3 or layer 3 or layer 2, I don't think so, and then I will make the speed to 2x, then click pitch and save. After that I will move it to the end of the video like this, and then this overlay and zooming it, click on the clip and then click chroma key, set the color picker, and then click intensity and set the intensity and click save, and then I will resize the subscribe button and place on here. The next step, you can adding your title here, like maybe the text add here, and click add text, and you can write my vlog like this, and click on the style and then font, and you can adding the animation too. Okay, and then you can adding your YouTube channel name like I do, and place it to the right place. So this is the result. So this is how to make intro in CapCut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.